Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Philippines. Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon to all people. Guys, kakain tayo. Ang ulam for today for lunch is pinirito na bangos at saka pinirito na talong. Kain na tayo, guys. Yung drinks is orange juice. Kain na.
Ano po dito? Kanin. Tatlo lang hinahin ko eh. Masarap din kasi kain nila. Kapin ko yung bugas ng imalsa.
Thank you, thank you.
Masarap kasi ang bugas.
Thank you for watching.
Masarap ang kain.
Thank you.
Masarap
Bye-bye.
ang kanin.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Okay, thanks.